Spin Master Monster Jam Series 15 Maximum Destruction Retro Rebels. The other trucks in Series 15 is the Legacy trucks of El Toro Loco. Then we have Hurricane Force and Element trucks. World Finals Avenger. Boneyard trucks of Son of a Digger. Retro Rebels of Grave Digger the Legend. Universe trucks of Northern Nightmare. Forces of Nature. Thunder 4x4. The ride truck for Series 15 is Earth Shaker. Now we get a nice picture of the World Finals 20 of Avenger. Let's go ahead and unbox the retro version of Maximum Destruction. From the back of the card, it looked like we were going to get a gray wristband, but it is black for Maximum Destruction, and it has Max D, Maximum Destruction on it, and it also has those spikes. It feels like spikes for Maximum Destruction. Also has the Monster Jam logo on it, and we have creature, so to speak, of Max D and the Monster Jam logo. Let's bring in Maximum Destruction now. Going back in time, we get a nice design of a retro truck of Maximum Destruction. The name of the truck on the side. The printing of the spikes as well. Back in the day, you know, they just printed them on these die-cast trucks that, like, Spin Master now does the spikes, which is very cool, but like in the Hot Wheels edition, they didn't have that. Also, we get Tom Mintz's name on the truck and updated Monster Jam logo. You can see Tom Mintz's name pretty well on the truck. Going ahead, there's fire flaming on the side of the truck, you see. Now bringing it close to the front so you can see, it says on a mission in the front, really cool. The two lights, some spikes, bringing it up top on the hood of the truck here. It says Tom Mintz and some more detailing on the truck. Bring it around to the other side, pretty much the same, but just so you can see it. And then we're gonna bring it to the back with the lights, the Monster Jam logo on the back there, and then all the fire breathing from the creature breathing out all the fire. There it is, very nicely detailed. You can see it very nicely. Up top here on the roof, Tom Mintz. I think that's like Advance Auto Parts Monster Jam logo that looks like, to me, a little red up above the Monster Jam logo. I could be wrong. Monster Jam World Finals 10-time world champion. There it is again, the Dow on full Tom Mintz. Very nicely detailed truck of a retro back in the day. So thank you for tuning in.